Welcome to the channel. Over the next several episodes, I'm going to document building and hopefully flying a Dancing Wings 2-meter J-3 Cub RC aircraft. I started flying RC model airplanes about 45 years ago. That's me in the white shorts with my 2-meter Dynaflight piece of cake motor glider. It's been decades since I've flown RC planes, and I got the bug to get back into the hobby. For this first episode, I'm going to unbox the Dancing Wing kit and check out all the components. So let's get to unboxing. The Cub kit is pretty big, and before I could start construction, I needed a building surface that would fit all the large parts. So I decided to build a magnetic building board. The board uses magnets instead of push pins to hold the balsa wood pieces in position while they're gluing. In the next episode, I'm going to show you all the steps to building this magnetic building board. It's really easy, and you can build one in about an afternoon.